A massive protest rally was organized jointly by the CITU and TECC on Monday as hundreds of workers marched toward the State Assembly to press for a 4-point charter of demands. The procession, which began at Orient Chomni, saw the participation of senior left leaders including former Chief Minister Manik Sarkar, Shankar Prasad Datta and Manik De. The protesters raised slogans against the current administration, specifically demanding immediate permanent status for all temporary and contractual workers, clearance of all pending dearness allowance and dearness relief, withdrawal of the implementation of the new labor codes in the state, re-employment of all workers who have been terminated or retrenched across various sectors.
বিধানসভার উদ্দেশ্যে এগিয়ে চলছে
ত্রিপুরা কর্মচারী সমন্বয় কমিটির সভাপতি রাস্তার এক পাশ খালি করে দিন যাতে গাড়ি ঘোড়া চলতে পারে
বিধানসভার উদ্দেশ্যে এগিয়ে চলছে
Reporter Pranav Magatla, Chini Khora.